Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple leather wallet case, the Magsafe case for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini, 12 Max, all that kind of stuff, the 12 series. A lot of people, when this first came out, were worried about it falling off your phone, it getting knocked off, you losing your phone and your wallet at the same time. And I've tried this for a week. I've had it on my phone a week straight. I've either used it directly on the back of my phone or on the back of the leather Magsafe case, the Apple case. And I really like it. It goes well with the brown leather case. It matches. It almost looks like it's one piece. I really like this because you have your wallet and everything right here on the back of your phone. And when you need to get a card out, you just pop it off. And it's got this little slot here, right here, where you can stick your thumb and push your cards out. So it makes it very easy for them to slide them up and pick the card you need. It holds about 3 cards. You might be able to stretch it and get 4 in there. It does hold just 1 card at a time without any issue. It doesn't fall out or anything like that. It's not loose. It still grips 1 card just fine. It doesn't fall off your phone by shaking it or anything like that. It doesn't even move. Some people have had it come off when they put their phone in their pocket, and they slide it off like that. It does take a little bit of force to do that. It doesn't really, it doesn't move very easily. So I don't really have a problem with that. I put my phone in my pocket screen out, so this doesn't rub on like the lip of my pocket at all. Anyway, it goes, in the back. So there's really nothing for it to catch on in my case. Another thing is people are worried about losing their phone and the case at the same time. I guess that may be a valid concern for some people if they lose their phone, but I haven't lost my phone ever, so not really an issue I have. Otherwise, though, it's been holding up very nice. There's a little slight haptic feedback. You do get your little animation there, but when you take it off, there's a little bit of a haptic feedback. It's not really like an alert, but there's just something there. It would be kind of cool for them to integrate the MagSafe thing where maybe with the Find My app or something like that, where you can see when you detached your wallet or when your wallet was detached. In case you do lose it or if it does fall off, you can maybe go back to where it came off and find it or know where you left it or something like that. I think that would be a kind of a cool feature, but I haven't heard of anything like that coming or anything like that. That's just something I think would be pretty cool to have. Since the phone does know that this is a wallet case, it can tell. That would be nice to see, the phone know where you took it off, give you an alert, hey, your wallet's not here. Or if you take it off and you walk away from that location, you get a notification. That would be something cool to see. Maybe we'll see that in the future. But this is the Apple leather wallet case. It was $59. And for what it is, it's nice leather. I think it's worth the price, especially if you're into the MagSafe accessories. You plan on using these. If you have a MagSafe case, it works great. If you have another case, obviously I wouldn't buy this because you can't stick it to the back of other cases that aren't MagSafe compatible. And really the only cases I've seen so far are the Apple cases. There's a few others coming. I think Techout has one, and there's some OtterBox cases and stuff like that that are MagSafe compatible as well. But that is the Apple leather wallet for the iPhone 12 series. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below. And as always, have a great day.